K-drama lovers, 2025 is already packed with unforgettable stories from ghostly legal cases to tear-jerking romances and intense school battles. In today's video, we are counting down the top 10 best trending Korean dramas of 2025 so far that you simply can't miss. Let's dive in. 10. Oh My Ghost Clients. In drama No Mujin, a quirky labor attorney can see ghosts but don't expect your average exorcist drama. He's hilariously clueless about history and society and keeps his firm afloat by visiting job sites. After a near-death experience, he starts solving ghost-related labor disputes often while crying and eating mustard. Supporting characters include Na Lee-ju, a fierce sister-in-law who ruined his firm, Hui-ju, a financial genius with unexpected brawling skills, and Ko Gyeon-yu, a charming but shallow ex-journalist turned content creator who believes ghost stories are clickbait gold. This blend of comedy, heart, and supernatural lore makes Oh My Ghost Clients one of the most original and entertaining dramas of the year. 9. Sliding into number 9, we enter the cutthroat world of Friendly Rivalry. Friendly Rivalry K-drama. Set in Korea's most elite high school, Friendly Rivalry follows a naive, small-town transfer student who gets thrown into the brutal academic world of Seoul's top 1%. There, she clashes with the school's top student, a brilliant, cold, and charismatic boy. As their rivalry heats up, secrets unravel, and an intense relationship blossoms, blurring the line between ambition, friendship, and obsession. With 16 gripping episodes, it explores social class, peer pressure, and young love in the most competitive of environments. If you love a good academic drama with a side of complex romance, this is it. 8. Karma. This is an intricately woven drama that follows the ripple effects of a single accident witnessed by a desperate man. In a desperate attempt to turn his life around, he enters a deal that drags four seemingly unconnected people into a shared fate. Dr. Ju-yoon, carrying trauma from her past, meets the man who caused her pain. A man in financial ruin bets everything on cryptocurrency and spirals into a dark abyss. Gil Ryong is wrongly terminated from his job and uncovers a conspiracy linked to a dark underworld. Meanwhile, a charismatic doctor in Gangnam runs a secretive clinic with his dangerously seductive partner Yoo Yoon, who may or may not be manipulating everyone. 7. Weak Hero Class 2. After the traumatic events of Class 1, Yoon Si-yoon transfers to Yoonjung High School determined to protect the few friends he has left. But trouble finds him again when he faces Alliance, a brutal gang led by Na Bak-jin, a sadistic leader who thrives on power and fear. With new friends Park Hyo-min, Seo Joon-tae, and Ko Hyun-tak, Si-yoon builds a new brotherhood, but can he keep them safe? A dark, raw, and relentless sequel with high-stakes violence, gritty character arcs, and emotional impact. Weak Hero Class 2 has an 8.4 rating in IMDb. 6. The Haunted Palace. In Yosun's Grand Palace, civil servant Young Gap finds his body possessed by a mythical creature called an emoji. This ancient serpent spirit has ties to Yori, the granddaughter of a powerful shaman who wants nothing to do with spirits and instead follows her passion for glass art. Strange deaths and hauntings plague the palace, all pointing toward a tragic history involving royal women who were wronged. As King Yeseong tries to modernize the kingdom, he joins forces with Young Gap and Yuri to uncover a haunting truth that threatens the monarchy itself. The Haunted Palace has a 8.2 rating in IMDb. 5. Heavenly Ever After. This soft and touching fantasy explores what happens when we meet our soulmate again in the afterlife. Elderly Hae-sok lived a beautiful life with her husband, who always praised her beauty. But when she dies, she's shocked to find him in heaven, young and full of charm again. As they relive memories and make peace with regrets, Heavenly Ever After reminds us that love is eternal, and goodbyes are never really the end. It's a quiet, healing drama that will leave you smiling through tears. 4. Dear Hong-reng. Set in the late Joseon era, a once wealthy family is shaken when their long-lost son, Hong-reng, suddenly returns after 10 years with no memory of who he was. His half-sister, Jae-tae, once his closest confidant, now lives under the control of a cold stepmother and emotionally distant father. As she digs into Hongreng's mysterious disappearance, she uncovers a web of family secrets, betrayal, and painful truths. Art, memory, and status all collide in this intricately layered drama. Dear Hongreng is a beautifully shot, emotionally complex story about identity and lost bonds. Dear Hongreng has a 7.8 rating in IMDb. 3. Resident Playbook. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the highly anticipated Resident Playbook. Resident Playbook Korean drama. From the creators of the beloved Hospital Playlist, Resident Playbook brings us back into the world of Yulje Medical Center, but this time, through the eyes of fresh first-year residents in obstetrics and gynecology. These young doctors face sleepless nights, emotional roller coasters, ethical dilemmas, and the joys and heartbreaks of life and death. With subtle cameos and nods to the original Hospital Playlist, the series offers a warm, grounded, and heartfelt experience. Its strong character development and deep friendships have made it one of the most relatable dramas of the year. Resident Playbook is one of the most relatable and genuinely heartfelt dramas of the year. It's a warm hug in K-drama form. 2. When Life Gives You Tangerines. Set in a quiet countryside town, this heartfelt drama paints a nostalgic portrait of youth. Our Sun is a spirited, poor, and bold girl who dreams of becoming a poet even though she never went to school. Her honesty, charm, and resilience light up every scene. She's balanced by Gwansik, a reserved and dutiful young man who's deeply in love with her but can't express it easily. Their relationship blossoms in small, tender moments, sharing fruit, walking home, or simply exchanging glances. It also echoes stories of love and courage from their grandparents and parents, giving this drama a timeless feel. When Life Gives You Tangerines is more than a romance, it's a tribute to dreams, first love, and the soft courage of ordinary people. 1. Tastefully Yours. At the number 1 drama, Tastefully Yours has an 8.0 rating in IMDb. Ha Byung-woo, the heir to a powerful food company, owns the best fine dining restaurant in Seoul, but he has no real love for flavor. In contrast, Mo Yoon-ju, a passionate chef, runs a secret one-table restaurant in the countryside where every dish is made with heart. When their paths cross, they begin running a cozy eatery together in Jeju. Through flavors, teamwork, and healing meals, they discover what it means to taste, to feel, and to love again. Tastefully Yours is the ultimate healing romance for foodies and hopeless romantics alike. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing K-drama picks every week. Drop your favorite drama from the list in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.